Hi everyone, welcome back to the HavaTech Showcase. I'm here with Mike Best from AVPro Edge. Mike, thanks so much for joining me today.
You're welcome.
Yeah, really glad to have you. Hey, glad for you to be here. Can you tell me a little bit about AVPro Edge, just kind of an overview and kind of what sets yourself apart from other competitors in the market?
Sure. Yeah, the one thing about AVPro is we make, manufacture, design, build everything from the board up. We don't OEM anything. So it makes it very easy for our product line. I mean, we have a 10-year advanced replacement warranty, which says a lot about the components that we use because we build them ourselves. So that really helps us.
Fantastic. And do you have any new products that you're pushing over the next 6 to 12 months, anything like that? Anything we should be looking for down the road?
Yeah, we have a lot of new products that are coming out. We have a new AV over IP line that uses H.264/265. That product will be a true transceiver, so it's a very different product on the market, and that's going to add to our whole list of other products that we have. We just came out with low profile wall plates, and we also just came out with these little STIX, which I just want to show.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is an 8K video generator and analyzer. Wow. This uses a USB-C for power, gives you full patterns, up to 12 different patterns. It actually has a live screen so you can see what the video is. So when you're doing testing in the field, you have something in your pocket like this. So this is a very unique product, and this is kind of where we got our background.
Yeah, and that's kind of what I was going to say, is you said unique, you took the words right out of my mouth. That's one thing that's kind of synonymous with AVPro Edge, is that it seems like you guys are kind of doing things, you know, against the grain or more in that niche market, not necessarily falling into the same cookie cutter solution.
Correct. We probably owned the resi world for a long time, and that's kind of where we got our background, and now we're really starting to push into the commercial side of it.
Well, it's working. I can tell you from our solutions, we've had nothing but success. We've had great response from your support team, so very much looking forward to continue using that down the road. Awesome. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate it.
Yep.